Hello and welcome. Did you know that you can purchase a home here in California with absolutely no money down? There's two programs that are offered no money down home loan programs, which is a VA, a veteran, so you had to serve in the military and be honorably discharged from the military, or the USDA Home Loan Program. That's right, 100% financing, no money down on the USDA Home Loan Program. My name is Nathan Ruffty with Mountain West Financial here in California. We specialize in these USDA home loan programs. And I want to go over how to find, it's got to be in an approved area for USDA. And USDA is the United States Department of Agriculture. They do the meat and whatnot, but they do have a division that insures and funds home loan programs for specific areas. These are not high density living areas. These are rural, but you'll be surprised on what that rural means. And here in California, you may think we don't have rural areas, at least here in Southern California, but I'm going to show you these areas that are approved for 100% financing, no money down program on the USDA. So go to your Google search bar, just type in USDA home loan property lookup. The reason why is because the URL is long, and I'll have the URL link in the below description of this YouTube video. So USDA home loan property lookup, press enter, and it's going to take you to the first one here, and that's what the one you want is this one right here. So this is what the website looks like. So I'm going to have this URL in the bottom of the description here. You want to go to property eligibility. You want to go to accept, and that's already defaulted. So you want to go to accept over here, this button right here, go to accept. Now it needs to find a property. So I don't know a specific property, so it just needs to have a pinpoint, a landmark. So I'm going to put in the address of our office here on Haven Avenue in Rancho Cucamonga, 91730. So you just got to find a property in your area so at least gets a pinpoint. So as you can see, this one is not in the approved area. Anything that's dark shaded here is not in an approved lending area for USDA, and it will say it right here, this property is not eligible. But as you can see, anything that's in the white area here, that's all USDA approved territory. So you would think that here in California it's not, but there is, as you can see, getting in LA, there's not too many approved areas. But how out here in the outskirts, the desert community, the mountain communities, all this stuff here is approved USDA, no money down. There is an income limit, which is a pretty good, healthy income limit in California, at least in Southern California. So let me get you in here, and at least as you can see on the map, it's a lot of Riverside and San Bernardino County, and the income limits as of right today, it does change. This last change was May 17th of 2017. The income limit for San Bernardino, Riverside counties were, where is it at here? Up to 4 people in a household. So 1 to 4 people, dependents going to live in the household. The max you can make is $78,200. That is the max income for the qualifying buyer in the home. Now, anything 5 or more here in San Bernardino, Riverside County is $103,200. So if you have 5 people living in the household and you make $90,000 a year, you can purchase and qualify. Obviously, there's other qualifications with credit and the income, but there's no money down. Guess what? In these particular areas, this is the only purchase program that you can finance the closing costs. And the way you do that, the home has to appraise more than what you're purchasing it for. So if you're purchasing it for $200,000 and the appraisal comes in at $210,000, in that $10,000 extra equity that you have in your home, we can finance that closing cost. So guess what? No money down, finance the closing costs. You're basically buying the home for a home inspection and an appraisal fee, less than $1,000. Now that's the only caveat, and the only exception is the home has to appraise for more than what the agreed upon purchase price is. So you want to go to this website, look into particular areas of your state, but I'm here in California, but you can see a lot of areas that are approved. Mountain communities up here in Mojave, Tehachapi, Adelanto, Hellendale over here. This is all approved areas. So If you're looking to purchase a home and you are very, very limited on your funds for the down payment, now you're going to have to live in the outskirts of town in some of these areas. So if you're looking in the Rancho Cucamonga area, Fontana, to buy a home and you're looking for no money down on the USDA, it's not available in this particular area. So I got another video I'm going to have towards the end that you can watch that goes into depth about this USDA program. But a great program if you're limited on funds. And as you can see, it's a huge area. But if you're looking in the towards the coastal community, it's not approved. So you really have to see about purchasing in another area. And that's the thing you got to ask yourself: how bad do you want to own property? If you need to move to these areas to own a piece of property, guess what? You live there for 1 year. After that year, you can turn that property into a rental and then go buy where you want to go buy. But you got to purchase these things, these properties, as an owner occupied in the approved areas. These are not an investment property purchases. You have to buy this as an owner occupied. But if you want to do the sacrifice and move out to an area that you're not familiar with, but you want to own property, this is a great start to own property with no money down, 100% financing on the USDA Home Loan Program. Like I said, my name is Nathan Refty. We do specialize into these programs. I love doing them. We don't do them enough of them here in California because not a lot of people know about this no money down home program of the USDA. It's a great program. Watch the video at the end. It goes more in depth on about the program itself. I just want to let you know as a viewer that there is a program available to you as long as you qualify for it, of course, with the credit and the income. You don't need the assets because, as you can see, for the down payment, it's zero money for the down payment, but you got to come up with closing costs. But you can ask the sellers to do that. We can raise the interest rate to cover your closing costs, or the home appraised for more than what the property is worth, and we can finance those closing costs. And that is the only home loan program that will allow us to finance your closing costs if the house appraises for more than what the agreed upon purchase price. So click on this video here. I'm going to have this for you to review on the other program. Nathan Refty with Mountain West Financial. I look forward to connecting with you and talking to you about the USDA Home Loan Program. No money down at 909-503-5600. Thank you very much and have a blessed day.